Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 billion signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. I hope you're in a great mood because we're gonna have pretty interesting end of the week since today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you had take a look on the calendar, what do we expect in the to the end of the week, and you have to be excited, of course. So we see, just quickly to summarize, we see slight growth of strength of the US dollar. But interesting, considering the indices, they're still pumping up to the upside. I think just we are preparing for the crash that we've been expecting anyway since the last couple of weeks. But it's gonna be very interesting. So let's take a look what's going on the calendar. Wednesday, we had GDP, gross domestic product in Australia, -7% compared to the forecast -6%. Worse than expected, pretty normal in such an economical environment and situation. We have today ADP NFP, which is 12:15 GMT, and crude oil inventories 2:30. Crude oil, it seems it's trying to push to the downside. We're gonna take a look in about a minute, but I think we're gonna see massive drop of the crude in the upcoming days. Thursday, tomorrow we have composite services PMI in UK, 6:30 8:30 GMT time in the morning. 12:30 we have initial jobless claims for US, and Governor Biley is going to give a speech. 2 p.m. in UK, ISM non-manufacturing PMI in US, so GBP and US are going to be focused for sure. Friday, of course, NFP day, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate. According to forecast, it's supposed to go down. I'm not going to be surprised if I see, by the way, green numbers about the unemployment rate, considering the elections that's coming, if you know what I mean. So, but I personally believe there is nothing positive about the unemployment rate in United States in general. Of course, and construction PMI we have in UK 8:30, and the employment change in Canada. So US dollar in front of you, as you can see, is it made a, I would definitely say, modest drop, 110 pips, right on the resistance level, 1.1963. Good momentum in order to push the price lower, of course, to test 1.1696, 1.17. Let's see what's gonna happen with the euro. NFP is crucial today, of course, and on Friday, and unemployment rate, of course. But if we see growth of the unemployment rate, I'm sorry, green unemployment rate, we definitely can see strength of the US dollar, and finally to see drop of the major currency pairs. So Euro USD, I am still definitely bearish. Same for the GBP US. As you can see here, we got the pretty similar situation. Strong drop, 150. We do have 110 here drop. I don't know how GBP is going up. I highly doubt it's because of the strength of the Great British Pound. Most probably because of the weakness of the US dollar. But I think we're gonna see very strong drop in the upcoming days of the Great British Pound US. Totally bearish, and I keep my levels the same. Australian US. We talked about it last time. Pretty normal upward movement and upward trend. Australian is getting higher and higher. Anyway, the coronavirus cases there are pretty few, nothing critical. So Australia and New Zealand are kind of safe out of COVID-19. So as you can see, the same situation, broken the resistance and continue further up. So if I'm going to take any short trades on the Australian and New Zealand, I would wait. We talked about the potential correction of the USD Canadian. Bear in mind that if we see this growth of US dollar, we definitely gonna see the correction of the USD CAD. I'm not going to take any short trades because simply I haven't seen a correction since the last couple of days, since the beginning of August, and I'm gonna wait for the correction and then take a short trade of the USD Canadian if the situation then hasn't been changed. Crude very, very important. I'm gonna zoom in. Still, of course, holding the resistance. 43.77 is our resistance level. Pretty sharp compared to previous levels here since March, beginning of the year 2020. And crude oil inventories. If we see green crude oil inventories, we definitely can see test of $41 per barrel, 34 even. I'm not gonna be surprised, not straight line to the downside, but definitely we can see start of a downtrend. So if we see crude going down, USD CAD is going to complete its correction very, very fast. USD Swiss, kind of similar situation. We talked about the potential correction to the upside. 0.91 round number, the price is staying on this level right now, but I think we can test 0.9177. And my last currency pair, USD Japanese, one of my favorites, but unfortunately the last couple of days are performing absolutely worse. USD Japanese. Oh, what to say here? Actually, nothing. USD Japanese is going in sideways. I am not trading USD Japanese yen since the last couple of weeks. Nothing interesting, nothing that can catch your interest and focus. So leave it until we see the USD Japanese going in one clear direction. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed, of course, this video. Thumbs up, like us, and share us on the social medias. Of course, help us to grow the channel. If you have any questions, just get back to me, Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. Enjoy the week, good luck, and of course, expect my new video on Monday. Bye bye.